Hello guys, how are you? Today's our topic is reference point. We will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit in Midjourney. So for this, we will not waste our time. We will start our lecture today. First of all, you have to do is that click on this plus button. When you will click on it, this small pop-up will come out. So you have to click on it, upload a file. When you will click upload a file, it will take you to your desktop. Wherever you will have your picture, you go there and choose anyone that you want to edit. So let's assume I will choose this one. So I will click on it and then open. Click on open. So when you will click on open, this will happen here like you are watching. So all you have to do is just click or hit enter. So it will processing time and it will be uploaded. So now what we have to do is that we will click on this picture and now we will click on right click and copy image address. If you have not copy link option, then you have to click on copy image address. So by this you will copy the link of this picture. So I will click on it. As I will click on it, our link has been copied. So I will click right where anywhere. So what will happen is that I will type slash. When I will type slash, this pop-up will open and we will click on imagine prompt. When we will click on it, first thing we have to do is Control V. We have to paste our link here. So we have our link here, give comma, space, and now we will write our prompt here. Now we have prompt here, a neon professional color grading, soft shadows, no contrast, clean sharp focus, fill photography. And we all have to do is that hit enter or click just. When you will click, it will give command to Midjourney and it will take time. So what will happen is that we have to see that what will be the result of it. Now Midjourney will give us these four variations. We have to choose anyone, U1, U2, U3 and U4. These are upscales. This is U1, pick 1, 2, 3, 4. Same U1 mean upscale. You have, if you want this picture and you want upscale it, you could have to click on U1. And same way U2, U3, U4. And if you will click on V1, so it's mean that you want you will get four new variations. If you want four new variations of this pick 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as if you want upscale, you will not get four variations, but you will get a single result. So let me click on it. This is four picks. So you can see that. So if you will click U1, it will give you, if you will click U1, it will give you that result single pick. If you will click on U2, then it will give you that thing. So let's assume that we want V1. So when we will click on V1, now we will see that what will be the result of it. So all we have to do is just let's check that what is our four variations. So you can understand very well. Now you can see that these are four variations of same pick. Now if you want to click any one of it, all you have to do is that you will click on, let's assume we will click on U3. Now if we will click on U3, now what will happen is that it will take a little time, but it will give only single pick because we have clicked on U3. If we will click on V3, then we also find we get four variations, but we didn't click on V3, but we clicked on U3. So this is our final pick. If you want to see full quality, click on open in browser. Now here, this is the result. I hope this video will help you to edit your pics. So if you have any type of queries or question, you can comment on it and I will reply you.